and this is an amazing solution, and this is one that I use all the time, and I love it. And it's almost like I have like inventory. You know, I won't run out of something, and I know that if I do. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and welcome to part 5 of the doTERRA Enrollment Kits little mini-series here. And if you haven't watched the other videos in this, make sure to check out the links in the description below so you can get your learn on and kind of get caught up. If you have been watching them already, then hey, good job, and you're already on track to kind of getting really a good, well-rounded, view of what's out there and what's available to take your health to the next level. But today we're going to talk about the Every Oil Kit, which is featured right here. Boom, boom. Hello. Okay, there you go. And the Every Oil Kit is really a great entrepreneurial kit, or it's a great kit for somebody who's like, you know what, I just want as many natural solutions as possible. I'll figure out the benefits and the uses, or I already have the benefits and uses kind of in here or on your videos, Lance. Let's go. I'm ready to do this. And it is kind of called the entrepreneurial kit because it does have so many oils. Not every single oil that doTERRA has, but the vast majority of them, to the point where you're just like, wow, this is like liquid empowerment. It also comes with a diffuser. It's so amazing. I have that kit as well, so the Every Oil Kit is amazing, I will say. And it really makes sure that you feel like that you have those natural solutions within arm's reach. You're just like, wow, I'm prepared for any situation now. Like, it's so cool to have that. And I consider the oils as like liquid gold because they're so valuable, because they can help with so many things. Not just, one oil can help with so many things, but when you have so many oils helping with so many things, it's like, whoa. It can be overwhelming if you don't have the personalized support and the education piece, which is what I offer my clients in the form of Wellness Consult. So Wellness Consult is where we go over how to maximize your membership and use the oils that you got so they don't collect dust, so they don't become paperweights, and so that they don't stay in the box that they were shipped in. This gives you the opportunity to make wellness a lifestyle, and whether you join the Loyalty Rewards program or not, which is kind of like a frequent flyer program where you get rewarded for that, you also get some free product credits with the Every Oil Kit, which I'll have more information in the description below, so you can kind of check that out. The Every Oil Kit is just amazing. Absolutely love it. Any enrollment kit that you get with doTERRA waives the membership fee. So that's a bonus, right? And then you get natural solutions within arm's reach. You get the education, personalized support that I offer to my clients as well. And then you just, boom, it comes in and you can, just get started, right? I mean, the hardest part for so many people is getting started, because a part of encouragement is giving others courage to do something that they weren't ready or maybe unsure of before. And that's what I love doing. And in addition to encouraging, it's empowering, right? It's giving those the power to take these natural solutions and do things to get well, and then do things to stay well, and not let things become reactive, right? We want to improve our quality of life. We don't want to hit these ruts and these ditches where we're reacting to things going on, and it's harder to get out of a ditch, or harder to get out of multiple ditches than it is to kind of put a plank over on top of all of them and just walk along cross from where you are to really where you want to be, right? And so that's really the concept that's going on with the kit. Is it's one positive step in the direction. That step is quite large for some folks, right? Especially with, it's an investment. Some people are like, oh, they cost a lot. But I look at it as you're investing in yourself, you're investing in your family. And then with this kit, you are, if you're interested in earning your oils for free or doing part-time or full-time income, you're investing in your business. If you're not, then it's just a lot of great oils to help with a lot of great things for you and your family. And the larger the family, the better. And this is an amazing solution. And this is one that I use all the time, and I love it. And it's almost like I have like inventory. I won't run out of something, and I know that if I do run out of something, there's another 2, 3, 4, or 5 oils that can help out with something, whatever I'm going with. So that includes energy, digestion, sleep, stress, muscles, joints, supporting your immune system, balancing hormones. This kit has it all, let me tell you, all right? And so it's amazing. But if you want to learn more about the oils in the kit, how to get started, or just you're kind of just, I want to know the benefits and uses, I'm not quite ready to make a purchasing decision, I will have all that information in the description below so you can get your learn on, or so you can take things to the next step, so depending on kind of where you're at with everything. Because I understand if it's the first time people are seeing this, they're like, whoa, I just want to learn, but if people have seen multiple videos of mine, or they're ready to purchase or things like that, then it makes sense to kind of click on the website and then check out pricing and all that good stuff, because this video is more just educational and letting you know what's out there. Other than that, hey, if you liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button for future video updates, but most importantly, check out those links below so you can continue to get your learn on. And we'll see you in the next video.